What's up, Allan Morrow here, and welcome to my one-to-one tuition. If you've landed on this video, then there's a good chance that you're probably looking for some help with your productions, and if so, then that's great, because that's exactly what I do with a lot of my clients. I'm currently teaching people from not opened a door before, right up to 15, 20 years of production. With the one-to-one tuition, there's many different ways that we can kind of do it. I'm currently doing stuff with clients where I am, for example, they'll send me a track that they want to try and make a similar sort of track, and I can show them how I do that in a start to finish sort of course. I'm also looking at clients' projects as well, if they send them to me, whether that's Ableton or Logic. If you don't use those two doors, then you can just send me audio files, and I work with clients that way as well. We do a bit of back and forthing online by sending some files to each other and stuff like that. But as I say, I do teach people from all different levels and people that all learn completely differently. So the one-to-one tuition is completely tailored to how you want to learn, you know. There's none of this, it has to be done exactly like this or this. I teach people so that they can become their own producers. So if you are interested in this and you're looking for a bit more information, then be sure to fill out the form below or use the link depending on where you're watching this from. And just drop me a line. We'll have a little bit of a chat, see where you're at in terms of your productions, see what you might need some sort of help with. You know, it might just be that you need a particular area that you need help with, whether that's kick and bass, melody writing, or anything like that. It could be creativity. I help people a lot with that, or even just your mental state with the whole music production sort of thing. You know, a lot of people can get in their head and it kind of stresses them out and stuff like that when it comes to production. So I'm helping people with all these different cases. If you find that there's any way that you may want to do the session slightly different, just let me know. As I say, they're completely tailored to how you want to do them. But yeah, fill out the form below, drop me a line, and I look forward to chatting to you. Thanks.